Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the PivotBoss pre-market video for Wednesday, April 10th, 2019. Happy hump day, everyone. I'm Frank Ochoa, aka PivotBoss. Here's a look at the daily time frame of the ES. You'll notice right here, price trading within a very narrow 4-day range, still in the uptrend, and also still above the 8-period average and the PIMA trigger zone. So you can see the 8-period average is this golden line right here. The trigger zone is a space between the 8-period average and the 21-period average, and any pullback into that zone in an uptrend is usually a good opportunity to buy. This one went a little deeper here and then popped. But overall, this market has continued to see bulls come in and defend these counter trend rotations. At the moment, we had one down day yesterday here. It hit a one-tick new high at 2,900 even and sold off back to 878 today. Here we have an inside day pre-market, and again, if there's a failure to hold 4-day lows here, perhaps we rotate back down toward 2840, which would be the previous month's close. Anything in here would still be a buying opportunity for a month-in rally. So we'll see how this continues to develop here. Any acceptance above 2892s would open up more upside for the day. Alright, let's take a look here at the NQ. You'll notice the NQ, very narrow price action here as well. Inside day, we're very close to it here. The last few days, very narrow 4 or 5 day range. You can see down here significantly compressed. Whenever we get expansion, we tend to see about 300 to 400 points of range. Again, that's what's coming up here pretty soon. Whenever we get out of this narrow range here, we're going to see about 300 or 400 points of movement. It could be something where it drops, say, to 7,500 and then rallies up to about 7,800, right? Something like that. That would constitute as your 300 points of range here. So we'll see how this develops. This could also be something where it drops all the way back to 72.50, and from the current level, I mean, that's nearly 400 points. So overall, this market has been strong. I'm looking to defend pullbacks unless some significant overhead rejection occurs. Even this time, when we had a strong rejection and bears defended, bulls still won out. So I mean, this is still a very bullish market. Any counter trend move is likely to be very short-lived. This not means you can't play it. You can obviously play that, but you just got to take the money and run, and then look to be long on the next swing move up. Alright, let's take a look now at crude oil. Crude oil remains bullish as well. This one still on a path higher. Overall, this one has a very narrow day today so far, 49 ticks. That's 39% of average range. It's an inside day. Price is holding the midpoint of the day from 2 sessions ago here, Monday, where it ran off to the upside, very narrow 2-day range. I would say here, if price breaks below the previous session's low, the 6370s, and then rejects, that could be a powerful continuation higher. Something like this here, where you have a failed new low and then you rally the rest of the day. Again, that's, any pullback, even as deep as 63s, could be a great buying opportunity for a continuation towards 65 and beyond. This one again has continued to show signs of strength inside that trigger zone. Every time it comes in here, it's getting bought back up. And again, anything, even, again, the trigger zone goes between 63 and 61. So anything in here with big signs of rejection could be still another buying opportunity higher. So we'll see if this thing can get a pullback here for a shot at more upside price discovery. Now, taking a look here at gold. You'll see gold continues to find strength. We mentioned here on this 4-day narrow range that we were likely going to see a 30, 35, or maybe even 40-point range ahead, 35 to 40 points. From this pivot low, we projected to be between 1320 and 1325. So since this low on that day, we've had an upward bias toward this target. Here we had expansion day, we had a pullback and go day, another day where it's holding the midpoint, but it's mostly compression today. This could certainly pull back a little deeper, but this could be digestion for the entire day. And in the upcoming day, perhaps Thursday, if this thing drops down as low as 1300 and then rejects those prices, throwing off a tail, that could get you a very, very high probability rally toward 1320 to 1325. So still a way to get into this trade if you missed it off this leg. And you know, again, upside price discovery toward this zone is likely to occur as long as price remains above 1300 on a closing basis. All right, that is it for now. We'll see how this plays out heading into the new trading day for the week. Good luck, trade well, and I'll see you in the trading room. All right, that's it for now. We'll see how this plays out heading into the rest of the session. Good luck, trade well, and I'll see you in the trading room.